Hi friends, Sandesh here. Today we have planned to conduct basic training on Excel, right? So we will just wait for another 2 3 minutes if somebody wants to join. Then we can start. I'll just share my screen now. Whether screen is visible, please reply. Hello, is it visible? So we will go to the session for the day one. In this, we are going to learn on basic Excel, right? I hope the screen is visible. Oh, sorry for the inconvenience. I think screen is not visible, I feel. Hello. I think now you can see the screen is visible. So I think it is visible to you all. We will start the session. Sorry for the inconvenience. So Excel, how to start? Excel means it's a table. It contains rows like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are rows, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a columns. We will call it as, right. Now you can see on the top there are options called home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. So we will see one by one, and I am going to teach you this Excel in Excel 2016 version. In Excel, you can see these are the alphabets and it ends till XFD, right? And same thing, you can see the rows, it is 10,48,576 rows are there. This is how to use Excel. Just select the cell, any cell in Excel. If you want to type anything, you can start doing it. So first we will see, hi friends, this way. You can type text or you can type numbers. You can type both. You can type. You can type date, today's date, right? You can use the formula. So formula will come later. First, you understand the basics, right? If you want to select all the cells together, you can click on this corner here. It will select. Or you can select by way of selecting Control A. Shortcut key is Control plus A to select all the cells. Now, this is the thing. If you have any questions, you can put it in the chat box. I'll try to answer. If it is I'm not able to answer now, we can continue in the session 2. So I bought you some samples here, right? First, we will start with addition. So addition, you can see here I have taken the data, fruits, mango, apple, guava, grapes, and the count I have taken here. I want to get the total amount of this 100 plus 200, 60, 100. So if I start doing manually, it will take more time. And 100, 200, and 300, 460. The answer is 460 if I do manually, and it takes time. First option, you can do it. Just select this by holding the cursor on the top and select it. Or you can use shortcut in Excel keyboard, Shift Control down arrow. This will select the range. Now you can notice here below in the footer, you can see that 460. That is the first way. Next, second, we'll use the plus formula in Excel. The same data we have taken here, but we will use the plus formula. Right now, I selected a cell, that is row number 37, and C column, it is there. Same thing you can easily notice on the top here, it is C37. It is for each box, it is indicated by the row and column. F is column, row number is 37. So now if we select this highlighted yellow cell, it is 37, row and column is C. Now we use the plus formula here. First we type equals, select the cell. Now press plus button. If you want, you can practice. So it will be main thing Excel. If you are practicing, then it will become comfortable for you. Now, after that, I'll select the next cell, then plus. Then select another cell, plus cell. Now enter. Now we got the answer by 460 by using the plus symbol. If you are okay, then we will go for next. Sum formula. We will go for sum formula. Here you can see same question is there, but we will use a different way. I am trying to teach you here a different ways you can use Excel to get the same output. You can choose which one you wanted. Now, here we'll type equals. We type SUM. It's a formula. Open the bracket. Select the cells by C42 to C45. This we'll call it as a range. Close the bracket. Enter. Now you got it 460 by using sum formula. First we simply selected the range and we got the output. Then we use plus formula. Third one we are used sum formula. Now we are going to use sum formula, but it's with a shortcut. This is the range. So here we just type alt equals. Automatically Excel identifies the range and it will select it. You need to just press enter. Okay. So now one more condition, you got it. You want to do this sum, but you want to do the sum only the amount is greater than 100. So in that case, our answer should be only 200, right? 100, it will not is equal to greater than, it is not greater than 100. 60, not greater than 100. It is not greater than 100. Last one is 200. To write this, we use sum if formula equals SUM if bracket open, we select the range, comma, and criteria is we need to put double quotes greater than 100, double quotes, bracket close. Now we got the answer. right? So we are adding only the values which is greater than 100. For example, for this 100 rupees, if we change it to 101, now you can notice the value is changing and which is getting only the greater than 100. Next, we want to add 200 to this value. We want this total plus we want another 200 to it. That is also possible. Equals sum bracket open, select the range, put comma, then 200 bracket close. Now the value is 460, but we are getting total as 660 because we are adding additional 200 to this sum formula. Same thing we can do it and reduce the amount also. For example, this is 460. In this, we want to reduce 100 rupees. Here, same formula, you type minus 100 and click on enter. Now the value is 360. So these are all additional formulas we can use it to add the numbers, or if you want to reduce the number in the value. And here one more scenario here. We are having particulars, quantity and amount. Same alt equals formula, we can use it here. Yes. So simply select the rows because we want total of the quantity and total of the amount. Select the rows and press alt equals. Now it has taken the formula this 20 and 460. This way you can add the numbers in the Excel. Now just we will take and we will see if we want to get average, what is the formula now. We want to get average. There are total 4 items and but we want the average. First way, if we select, we can see average also. Average is 115. By using formula equals average, you type the average, open the bracket and select the range. Close the bracket and click on enter. Now you get the answer. This is average value. Right now, I am trying to teach you all the basics in Excel so you can start using the Excel. Right? Now, if you want the serial numbers, you will get a task like you want to type serial numbers. So you can just 1, 2 like this way you can type, select it and drag it. You can use serial number by dragging this. If you want A, B, C, D alphabets, you will get here. Sorry, we'll cover this later. Days, you will get all the days. If you want dates, select it 2 ranges, then you drag it, you will get this. Or if you want the numbers which should change every 2 digits, select the range and drag it. You will get all multiplied by 2. This is way you can use the Excel. These are all basics. So in the day 2 session, we will try to cover some more. I hope this will be useful. If you have any queries, you can put it in the chat box. I'll try to cover that also. So we are going to end this session by 8 o'clock. Another 8 minutes are there. If you are having any questions, you can tell. So today we have covered what is rows, what are the columns we are having, and if we click the cell and we can start typing it, any cell if you select and we can start typing, you can enter dates, alphabets, numbers, text, both you can use it. And we have seen the serial numbers like we typed just 1 2 3 just and selected, drag. In the future we will try to cover advanced also. So right now I'm trying to teach you if you have any zero knowledge on Excel. So that is what in the with the intention. Dates you can select, type two dates and you can start dragging it. You will get all the dates. You will get more option also. You can do this fill days, fill weekdays, fill months, fill years. You can try this also. If it is click on fill years, it will change years, right? So now, and we have seen by selecting the rows, we have seen the total 460 in the below. Next, we use the plus formula. We selected each cell by clicking equals, select the cell plus next cell plus next. Then we have seen by using some formula equals SUM bracket open, select this range, then you will get the answer. Next we have seen shortcut, just press alt equals shortcut, so you will get the total. Next scenario we've seen, we want this total, but we want only the total greater than the value 100. So for that we have typed equals sum if formula bracket open. We selected the range, comma, double quotes greater than 100, double quote. This we have done it. Then the last one, here we have seen minus 100. Here we used the shortcut by just selecting the cells and pressed Alt equals to get the totals. Here we have used the average. We type the formula average bracket open, select this range. So we got the answer 115. So I hope this session will be useful. So let's meet in the next session. Thank you for your support.